Going through bankruptcy is not a pleasant experience. Depending on which type of bankruptcy you declare, your credit scores can be affected anywhere from 7 to 10 years. Getting loans or large purchases approved during that period may be challenging without paying higher interest rates. But the good news is that life after bankruptcy doesn't have to be a dead end. It can help serve as a fresh start. Though there will inevitably be obstacles ahead, you can begin rebuilding your financial profile by taking simple steps such as reestablishing credit and avoiding high-interest debt in the future. For instance, many lenders now offer secured credit cards with low spending limits, specifically aimed at people trying to rebuild their credit following a bankruptcy declaration. These are typically easier for individuals with bad credit to obtain and often come with lower interest rates than unsecured cards, so long as payments are made on time and balances stay within the limit each month. Similarly, installment loans, such as auto financing, offered through banks or credit unions, are another option for borrowers looking for more substantial amounts of cash, but again, this should only be done if monthly payments remain manageable to avoid further damage down the road. Breaking free from the shackles of post-bankruptcy life takes dedication and hard work, but with patience and responsible use of resources, such as those mentioned above, you can establish yourself back in good financial standing sooner rather than later. Ultimately, the duration of a bankruptcy's impact depends mainly on your financial circumstance, qualifications, and behavior. But no matter where you're at in the recovery process, there is always hope for brighter days ahead, and 321 House Buyers is here to help get you there. We provide straightforward solutions to those in financial distress. Our specialists are ready to help soon-to-be homeowners overcome their current financial burdens with ease and grace, so why wait any longer? Don't let bankruptcy hold you back. Keep the movement going. Contact us today and start propelling yourself toward a brighter future.